In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download GoFundMe if not available in your App Store. Now simply head to your App Store. If you try searching for the GoFundMe, they just bring you other apps rather than the GoFundMe app. Now this may be due to regional restrictions. Now to get the app, you have to change your App Store country. Simply tap onto your profile icon, and then head to your profile. You might be required to enter your Apple ID password first. You will then head to country. Here, choose a country like the States that's always limitless to first-class services. And once done, tap on Continue. You want to tap on Agree and then enter in the address form. Now once everything is set, tap on Done to save changes. Your App Store region will successfully get changed. Now refresh and get to the search bar. Search for GoFundMe. The application will eventually get available in your App Store. Well, that's how easy it is to download and install GoFundMe in the App Store if not available. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.